Daily English Talks.
Meeting someone for the first time.
Hi there. Excuse me, but are you waiting for the orientation tour to start as well?
Yes, I am. And since we're both standing here awkwardly, I guess this is a good moment to introduce myself.
That sounds great. And I should probably do the same before things get even more awkward.
I'm Daniel, and I just transferred here this semester, so everything still feels completely new to me.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. And my name is Sarah, and I'm also new here, so you're definitely not alone.
Oh, really? That's good to know because I was worried I'd be the only confused newcomer wandering around.
Trust me, I was thinking the exact same thing as I walked in and tried to look confident.
Well, you definitely look confident enough, at least much more than I do at the moment.
Thanks, but I'm actually really nervous on the inside and just pretending I know what I'm doing.
Honestly, same here, because meeting new people always makes me a little anxious.
I get that, but at least now we've met someone on the same wavelength.
Absolutely, and it already feels a bit less stressful knowing we're both figuring things out together.
So Daniel, where are you from originally, if you don't mind me asking?
Not at all. I'm from Seattle, and I moved here because the program looked really interesting.
That's cool. And I'm from Manila, and I came here because my cousin studied here and recommended it.
That's awesome, and it's nice to meet someone from a different background with similar goals.
I feel the same because it's refreshing to meet someone friendly right at the start.
Have you had a chance to explore the campus yet? Or is everything still unfamiliar?
Everything is still pretty unfamiliar, and I'm hoping the tour will give me a clear overview.
Same here, because I've been using my phone's map and still managed to get lost twice.
Don't worry, I took the wrong building entrance earlier, so you're definitely not the only one.
Good to know we're equally confused but still optimistic.
Exactly. And meeting you makes this first day feel a little lighter.
That's really nice of you to say, and I'm glad we started talking.
So what are you planning to major in, if you already decided?
I'm thinking about majoring in computer science because I love solving problems.
That's great. And I'm planning to major in communication because I enjoy media and storytelling.
That sounds like a fun field with a lot of creative possibilities.
I hope so. And I'm excited, but also a bit nervous about the workload.
Don't worry, we'll probably get used to things after the first few weeks.
Yeah, adjusting always takes time, but it helps when you meet friendly people.
Speaking of which, I'm glad we crossed paths before the tour started.
Me too, because it feels good to talk to someone instead of standing silently.
Agreed. Silence tends to make things feel even more awkward.
So, Daniel, do you usually make friends easily?
Honestly, it takes me a while, but conversations like this make it easier.
Same for me, because I need a bit of time to open up to new people.
Well, at least we're already off to a good start.
Definitely. And I appreciate how relaxed this conversation feels.
I'm glad you think so, because I was worried I might sound nervous.
You sound perfectly normal, really. And your friendly tone helps a lot.
Thanks. That means a lot coming from someone I just met.
So do you have any hobbies you usually talk about when introducing yourself?
Yes, I love photography because it lets me capture moments I want to remember.
That's interesting, and I enjoy drawing because it helps me express my ideas.
Wow. Photography and drawing sound like a creative combination already.
Yeah, maybe someday we'll collaborate on something fun.
That would actually be really cool.
I'm glad you think so, because I love meeting people who enjoy artistic things.
Same here, because creativity usually leads to amazing conversations.
Agreed. And this conversation is already making the day more enjoyable.
I'm happy to hear that, because I feel the same way.
Oh, It looks like people are starting to gather for the tour.
Yeah, maybe we should head over before we end up at the back of the line.
Good idea, and we can continue talking as we walk.
Absolutely. I'd like to get to know you better throughout the orientation.
Same here, and I'm glad we've already introduced ourselves properly.
It makes things feel much more comfortable now that we're not total strangers.
Exactly, and it feels like we're already starting this day on the right foot.
Then let's go, and hopefully this is just the beginning of a good friendship.